Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So this evening, I'm at the Denker farm, chisel plowing the Clover field, and it's going good. It's kind of soft in some spots, but otherwise it's working pretty nicely. This field was wheat, but we harvested that off in July, and the clover that we interseeded in February, this February, that grows up underneath the wheat. Well, then we just mowed that down a couple times, put the organic matter back into the ground, and then now we're just chiseling it up, chiseling it back into the ground, running about 5.5 miles an hour, just full throttle, and it's bogging down a little bit in 9th gear, but I'm just gonna keep ripping away, and it's going about 15 inches deep or so. So it's running pretty deep because we got the discs, those aren't going very deep, but then the shanks in the back, those are running about 15 inches deep, and that busts up that hard pan pretty well. And Dad got this started a few hours ago, since he likes to start all the fields, I guess. But he got it started, got 12 acres done, and I've got 95 left to go. So let's get this hammered out, not tonight, but we'll get a good start tonight to see what we can get done. Well, I found some kind of limestone or concrete chunk or something, so I'm gonna go see what it is, see if I can get it out and just shove it to the side. Well, can't really, yeah, you can see it. Well, I'll see what I can do if I can get it out. I'll just see what I can do. Well, I'm not gonna get that rock moved because it's a chunk of concrete or a limestone, just a chunk of something. I'll show it right up here. But that thing is big, and I'm not gonna move that thing or dig it out of the ground, so just gonna have to leave it, and I'll come back for it, or we'll come back for it another time. Alright, I'm gonna park it for the night, and then I'll probably come back late tomorrow morning, just come back and start chiseling again, because Dad's gonna go to the Midwest Organic Farmers meeting, just a meeting because he's a board member. It's just a co-op that he's a member of, so he's got to go to that, so I'm just gonna continue chiseling tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's about 8:30 the next morning, and I'm coming back to chisel because Dad's at his meeting, so I'm just gonna come back and run the chisel plow all day. Oil's good, it's in the box, so I'm gonna get this tractor started, fuel it up, and then we're gonna hammer down. So let's go. All right, let's go hammer out some acres.